guys, before you watch this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Alright, which one should I get, guys?
The green one.
The green one? Alright. Mountain Dew. Well, we're here in lovely Walmart again. And we finally found... Oh, someone's in the aisle. Oh, someone's in the aisle too. There we go. Halloween! Anyway, we're here to pick this game. Being Boozled. I was heard as some type of challenge months ago. But, yeah, we're going to try this today. See what happens. Actually, that's kind of cool. Oh, Connor, this is for you. At beautiful McGough Park today. Y'all remember this one? Where happened to... Oh, there it is. The zip line thing. Where I almost bust my butt on. Alright, we go play the game. Being Boozled. And we stopped by McDonald's real quick, get some couple of burgers. Just a couple of burgers. And well, that's all done. Y'all full?
No, I gotta do the jelly bean challenge.
Oh yeah, that's right, the jelly bean challenge. Okay. We gotta wait for your mom to come back. You gotta play.
Okay, we're gonna do one box, and then when we do the other box, Daddy's playing.
No, the other box is for something else. I already got plans for that. This Being Boozled thing, challenge game, whatever you want to call it, it's from
Walmart.
request. Yeah, it's from Walmart, but Cookie, was it?
Our Cookie Cat.
We don't have a cat.
They have a cat.
Oh, no, the Cookie Cat requested this. Okay, Cookie requested this for us to try this, and we did. Sorry. Cookie requested for us to try this, and this is what we're gonna do today. The Being
Boozled jelly beans.
Boozled jelly beans, and the guys don't really look too happy.
It says, caution, contains weird and wild flavors. How great. That's fun.
Yeah. So we're gonna do this today. Thank you, Cookie.
Love you.
That's your jelly bean. Eat it.
Alright.
Does it taste good or bad?
What does it taste like?
Come on.
Peanut butter popcorn rotten egg.
Does it taste like butter? I don't know.
Mommy, you
What does it taste like? Does it taste like popcorn?
please spit it out. I don't next time I did a good one.
Alright, here, eat it.
Wait, what's the...
No, we're not telling you.
Tell me what it tastes like. You cannot spit it out, or
You-
you will lose a point.
Put it in your mouth.
What's it taste like? Is it sweet?
No,
What
harder.
is it at?
The green one.
I don't like either of these, so.
What's?
I hope
You don't like pear?
No, I don't like that.
Well, I hope it's a booger then, huh?
Well, you better
Eat it.
you're not a mother.
Here, Aiden, spin. Don't drink it all.
Does it taste like
It's not
pear?
pear.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Eat it.
It tastes like yours. What does it taste like?
Ooh.
No.
Oh,
What
hold
does it taste like?
It's more like dog food rather than dog Jersey.
What?
He said it tastes like dog poop.
So,
Tastes like dog poop. Are you
Alright,
keeping
spin
it
it.
in and swallowing it, or
Spin
are you
it.
spitting it? All right. Well, you lose 2 points now. But
what the heck? It's not really a good spinner. Alright, spin it. Alright, that's good. You get that. Okay.
It's yellow and... Wait, what's the...
Don't worry about it,
Well,
just eat it.
eat it. And you tell us what it tastes like.
Look at the camera.
What does it taste like? What
Not
is the-
popcorn. Spin, Erica.
It tasted like nothing.
I don't know if they hit my finger now. Oh, now it spins good.
He's at -2 and she's at -1.
That's the focus. Okay.
Orange.
Bon appetit.
Eat it.
I don't like this game.
Yeah, why don't we play it later?
Look into the no, put him out.
Alright,
Stop
no,
cheating.
Eat it.
What is it? That must be the bar.
Hey, swallow it. Just
Spread out. Spread out.
another -1 point.
If you tell me how this system game works now.
For the good ones, you get 1 point. For the bad ones, you get 2 points. If you spit it out, you get -1 point.
Y'all understand?
You lose a point.
Yes. I don't like this.
So if you have no points, you get -1
If we play
point.
this game again, I'm never gonna play. I'm just gonna record.
We can play after this game. We'll play another one.
No, I want to record that time.
No.
Yes. No.
Alright, spin it. No, did you go already? Alright, spin it.
It's not a food.
What color is the one? Orange?
Yeah, the horn.
The green one?
Yeah.
I hope this one doesn't taste like peanut.
Eat it. What's it taste like?
You get 2 points. That's not bad.
Just spit out.
Says the one that spit hers out.
Twice.
This is not working.
Apple pie.
Say that again?
He doesn't like apple pie.
What did it taste like?
Apple pie and fruit.
So that was a juicy one. That was a good one then.
I don't like apple pie.
Oh my word. Alright, spin it. Hold it thing. Spin it. So basically you got a good one, but you didn't like apple pie. So you,
Yep, so he didn't.
what color is that one? What color is that one? The purple?
Yeah.
So chocolate pudding or dog food.
What?
That's dog food. Hey!
Spitting it out, and y'all not gonna get points. Well, what did it taste like?
I can still taste it in my mouth. Chocolate.
Uh,
I can still taste it in my mouth.
yeah, the apple pie, yeah.
I'm done with this. I'm not gonna.
Maybe it's a strawberry banana smoothie.
I can smell it. No.
Just, you can't smell it. Eat it.
Smell it.
You just said you can't smell it, you decided to smell it.
Smell it.
Get that thing in my face or you're grounded.
I don't want to smell it.
Come back and sit down.
I'm not
You're not looking to the camera either. Put him on and eat it.
What's that one?
Boogers.
It's not good.
Oh, it could be dead fish. Oh, it's a dead fish.
No.
It's boogers. Well, you should eat your boogers, so what's the difference? I spit out. Owen, come back here. I said spit out.
She's trying so hard.
I'm trying so hard.
Sabrina, hold it.
She tried so hard for the
Same color?
orange
yes.
and red.
Look into the camera when y'all doing it. What is it? What it tastes like?
Dog poop.
There is that one's not even dog poop.
So
I don't
dramatic.
know.
What?
You got that on the camera.
I don't know. I looked down. What'd he do?
You know how when you put your tongue in a certain position, it sprays out the saliva? That's right.
Oh. Eat it. Spit out.
I'm trying to get a point. You're getting that barf. One.
Your mom gotta hold it. Your mom has to hold it. Your mom has to hold it. No, you already did it. What's that one? The yellow one?
It's literally on the line.
No, it was on this one. Then it got moved.
Oh.
What color is that one?
The blue.
What?
No, it's the rainbow. The white with the polka dots.
White with polka dots?
Yeah.
The first one, but then. This is a good one. Let me see that.
What does it taste like? Tastes like birthday cake? Why you spitting it out?
Swallow it.
Does it taste like birthday cake or dirty dishwater? How would you know what that
Is it
tastes
good?
like?
Dirty dishwater.
Just eat it. Look at me. Eat it.
Alright, swallow it.
Hey, it's just a birthday cake. Why are you trying to spit it out for? Is it like cake? Okay. What the heck is wrong with you?
Swallow it.
Everything is
I gotta see.
Hey, blueberry, that's really good.
What? It's good?
Oh.
Got 1 point.
Eden says it's
Look
not
here.
good, then I'll go back.
What is it? Stop! What is it?
It's in the broccoli.
What?
There's no broccoli.
What color we got?
The yellow is either rock.
Or popcorn.
Does it taste like popcorn? Eat it. Eat it and swallow it.
Spit it out.
I've eaten one.
I know, right? Shit, the next one.
What are you doing? It's your turn.
It's your time.
Orange and
Eat it. What do you think? What is it?
Oh. Where are you? What's it called? Ship watch? He didn't like it.
Uh-huh. Try to sneak that one out and then pretend like you swallowed it. What did it taste like?
Dog.
Which one did you have?
Alright, for the record, folks, there is no dog flavored, okay? No dog flavored.
Cappuccino wine.
The orange.
I got that one so many times. No.
Disgusting means that one must be good.
He's right. If I got all the other disgusting ones, this one must be good. That's it. I got barf again for the third time.
Well, if you keep getting the barf, then the other ones will be good for everybody else.
Yes, barf. Maybe all the good.
Why'd you put it
You've
on?
only swallowed one, right, Erica?
Yeah.
Maybe
Why'd you go again?
all the good.
Aiden?
Aiden, your turn.
Keep trying, the faster we get done.
If this one is gross, and
Alright, come on.
if this one's gross, I'm really not going to
Sabrina, which one's on, Sabrina?
It's the orange with the red dots.
Maybe that one not good. If this one doesn't taste good,
Eat it.
I'm really not going to. I only got one good one.
Hey, got two good ones.
What it tastes like?
Tastes like.
I need
Go. No, don't sit on camera.
Okay, the white and yellow.
I'm not playing anymore. Not even good.
Eat it.
If things look bad, then I'm not playing anymore. We're just going to be good.
We still playing.
Put the whole thing in your mouth.
Whole thing in your mouth.
What did it taste like?
There's no way of
Rotten eggs.
Let your mom smell your mouth. I don't believe you.
Come on.
That was rotten eggs. Right?
Yeah, probably.
So you're not playing no more? Well, Derek, you're the only one that's playing.
Derek
I
wins
want
by
all the blue ones.
You want the blue ones?
Yep.
I guess we make our own rules now.
Derek wins by default.
What's that one taste like?
Toothpaste.
Okay.
Last one tastes like blueberries.
And toothpaste is supposed to be the bad one, supposedly.
Toothpaste is like good. Just tastes like a mint.
I know. I said, why would the toothpaste be the bad one? That makes no sense. I'd rather have toothpaste than rotten eggs. Crap.
Is that good?
I don't know. I don't know.
What'd you get?
Go sit down. You can try to stick up and play. I don't know what it was, but I don't like it. Alright. Still recording?
Yeah.
I went out with my drink.
If you get all the good ones, I'd be so mad.
And the other good one.
I think we had most of the bad ones for you, but it's okay. It's okay. You didn't like that, did you?
Nope.
Which one was that?
I don't know.
See? That's why we kept spitting them out. We didn't like
Y'all are quitting.
I didn't quit. I just ate all the blue ones. The ones are so good.
I don't play no more.
You should have mommy try some.
Oh, she's doing it when she gets back.
Ooh, give her the brown one. The brown one's bad either way because chocolate pudding doesn't taste good.
What?
This one, I've had it. The chocolate pudding doesn't even taste good.
Oh, crap.
You good? Can we stop it?
No, do it for the YouTubers. The watch. Oh, I'm not playing no more. Oh my god.
I have mommy do 3 because you did 3. Actually, do 4. And then just tell her that you did 4. Ooh, which one was the last one?
Why is this a game?
To put people
That
in
one had to be
pain.
dead fish. Crap. We're not spinning no more because y'all didn't want to play. Oh my gosh, I don't want no more.
Now mommy has to try them.
Stink bug,
You're gonna do more?
stink bug or toasted marshmallow.
That's a new one.
Yeah.
Haven't tried it.
Toasted marshmallow. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was so scared. Woo!
It tastes like toasted
It
marshmallows.
does. It really does.
Oh, it really does?
You
Okay.
want to try touching what?
Nope. I think I'm
It really
good.
does. I'll get my spit now, so I'm fine.
What are the possibilities
Just eat
for
it.
this one?
Just eat it.
Just eat it, Mom.
That's what I did.
Just eat it.
I don't trust this game anymore.
We're not doing points, so if you want to spit out, if it's bad. I don't know, right? It takes a little bit, like, you start chewing, like, okay, I don't know. Nope. Then,
Is it good?
What it tastes
I
like?
think that was good.
What it tastes like?
I don't know.
What it tastes like?
It was one of these ones.
Okay, either barf, peach, dead fish, or strawberry banana smoothie.
Peach probably. Let's see.
Ooh, that's the one that was stink bug or toasted marshmallow. I got toasted marshmallow.
You got so lucky.
That was stink bug.
You gotta look in the camera. You told the kids look in the camera.
Pretty sure it's definitely stink bug.
How you know? Have you had stink bug before? How you know what it tastes like?
Well, don't taste like toasted marshmallows.
Are you sure?
Yeah, like
No. You get SITUPYOUR B-U-T-T. You don't want to know.
And was.
Okay.
I don't know what this one is.
What?
It's like green and red and yellow.
Ooh, I do. Ooh, I don't. Ooh, what? I don't know, but that's... Okay, I do. It could be Tutti Frutti.
Okay. Which probably was what it is.
But then you lucked out then.
What's the other one?
Stinky sock.
Right, it's too-
How do you know what stinky... How do these people know what stinky socks taste like?
Probably put stinky socks right in there.
What kind of
The
employee is that?
process is they put it in.
You was there?
No, I read it online.
So go ahead. The process is what?
It
They go to
said
somebody's
something-
house and get some socks, then put in the water, then bring out the...
Bro, that's disgusting.
It said something about putting it in a vapor something, and it turns the liquids into vapor and something. I don't know.
Look, it's not a wall, Owen. Sit
I don't
down.
know what's going on.
Just eat it.
Cool.
Who is that?
No, don't eat it.
Don't hit the car, don't fight over.
Sit your butt down. Sit down.
The ones I've been getting are fine.
How many you ate so far?
3 or 4.
4.
Okay,
So far you got...
This one's coconut or...
So far you got 2 good and 1 bad, right?
One of them is I don't think it was toasted marshmallow.
So you got 2 good and 1 bad, right?
Yeah.
Okay. No, you would definitely taste toast mark. That's what I got. You would definitely...
I don't do it on purpose. Ugh, what was that? It's all white.
It's coconut.
Or what?
It's coconut.
Or what?
Spoiled milk.
I got that one last time. That's what made me throw
Oh,
up.
I taste it now.
That's what made me throw up. Which one do you get?
One.
Ooh, okay. Go eat it. No. You have to put the whole thing in and start chewing it. Put the whole thing in and start chewing it.
What does it taste like? What's it taste like? Coconut? You don't like coconut?
Is it really coconut?
Or is it spoiled milk?
Ew.
Alright, next. Try a different one. Well, don't say
Oh,
it.
chocolate pudding.
Try it.
Put the whole thing in your mouth. It's chocolate pudding. Keep on chewing it. Or canned dog food. Which one was that one? What? How you know what dog food tastes like?
You ever tried it before?
You go try to drink it with the cap on?
Those ones can't be that bad.
How you know you'll get dog food?
I don't know. It's actually really good.
Oh, you got chocolate pudding? Mm-hmm. He didn't. He got dog food.
Right.
Woof.
Try another one. Hopefully you get a good one this time. I want to know what it tastes like though.
You want to know what dog food tastes like? Why?
Oh, that's dog food.
Oh.
Don't taste like I remember it.
Wow.
Yeah, I had to spit that out.
I kiss this lady, people.
One does not taste like the dog food I remember. What are you gonna try next?
Oh, that's
Oh, that should be the good one because she kept getting nasty.
Yeah, she did.
I kept getting barf, and I got it 3 times in a row. It was me.
I had a dead fish.
I got that fish.
But I'm pretty sure that's peach.
Peach or
The
strawberry
fruit?
banana
I
smoothie.
got the spoiled milk. And I think I got the stink bug one too, right?
Stink bug?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had toasted marshmallow.
I had the stink bug, definitely. What's that one?
Oh, Derek, you missed one.
I missed that one too. That one barf too.
Don't worry, you can brush your teeth after this and get it all out of your mouth.
Yeah, we were at the park, so we didn't brush your teeth.
We had orange soda to pour it down with. Oh, well,
Try the green one.
The green one, even if it's bad.
no,
it doesn't
barf
taste
was the
good.
orange one.
Try the green one is
Green was juicy pear,
pear.
and I'll tell you the other flavor after you start chewing.
Hopefully you get the pear. I didn't try the green one.
Go ahead. Well, you're gonna like it. No, put the whole thing in your mouth. Stop cheating, like Dearica. Start chewing. Start chewing. So, juicy pear or booger.
What does that one taste like? Eat it.
It's probably juicy pear.
Is it a pear?
Okay, see?
Is it good? That one was good though. Alright, cool. You want to try another one? Try one more. Alright, one more and then you can. Well, you don't have to, just if you want to. If you want to keep going, then you can keep going too.
What it is.
Uh,
Yeah, if you don't stop picking, she'll pick for you because she knows what they are.
What's that?
Don't say none, Dearica. Which one?
I don't know which one that is anyway.
That could be.
let me see.
Yeah, it almost.
See, what is though? That is not on. Oh, I know what that is. Go ahead.
Which one is that
Don't
one?
worry about it. Okay.
The good.
Toasted marshmallow.
Oh, okay.
That's
Try that one.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Start chewing the whole thing. Come on. Start chewing it. That's not chewing it. Chew. Chew.
Chew.
Move your tongue. Or stinky bug.
What does it taste like?
How do you know what stink bug tastes like?
It doesn't taste like toasted marshmallows, that's for sure.
You gotta take the cap out before I start drinking. You did it again.
You silly goose.
Aiden only took a handful of it after they were done, so you gotta do it too.
You're gonna take a whole handful
Go
of
turn
it.
that off.
Come on.
You ready? Oh, that's too many white ones. We need other ones.
Come on.
You ready?
We all did it.
Here. Just a bunch of them.
We all did it. The twins did it.
Put it all in your mouth, start chewing.
I did it. The twins all did it.
All of it. All of it, 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 all of it. Start chewing. Start chewing. You gotta start chewing it.
Watch them all be bad.
Yeah, we didn't do this part. You're the first one to do it.
Throw it up! Come on!
You were the first one to do it. None of us did it.
Okay, now we have to do it now.
You good?
And now y'all gotta do
Yeah, he
it.
don't play this game no more.
He's mad at me.
Your turn.
No.
No.
There's things in here too. Look. You can't. I'm like, move your finger. Start chewing. No, no, no. Oh my God!